Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about a legal concept with a fancy Latin name, quantum meruit.
In simple terms, quantum meruit means as much as he has deserved. It's a legal tool used in contract law to make sure someone gets paid for the work they've done, even when there isn't a valid, enforceable contract in place. The whole point is to prevent one person from being unfairly enriched at another person's expense. Let's use an example. Imagine you hire a painter to paint your house. You casually agree on a price, say $3,000, but you never sign a formal contract. The painter does an excellent job, finishes the work, and you love the result. But then you refuse to pay, arguing there was no legally binding contract.
This is where quantum meruit steps in.
The painter can sue you, not for breach of contract, but under the principle of quantum meruit. A court would likely order you to pay the painter the reasonable value of their services, preventing you from getting a freshly painted house for free.
So, when does this doctrine actually apply? There are a few key scenarios. First, when there's no express contract at all, like in our painter example where the agreement was too vague. Second, it can be used when a contract exists but is later found to be unenforceable for some reason, maybe because it needed to be in writing but wasn't. It also applies when a contract is terminated before all the work is done. If a contractor completes half a project before the homeowner wrongfully fires them, the contractor can claim quantum meruit for the value of the work they already performed. The core idea is that services were provided and accepted, and it would be unjust to not pay for them. A crucial point is how the payment is calculated. It's not necessarily the price that was discussed, nor is it the provider's actual costs. The court determines the reasonable value of the services rendered. They might look at what other painters in the area charge for similar work, the quality of the work, and other market factors to determine a fair price for the benefit you received. To win a quantum meruit claim, the person seeking payment generally has to prove four things. 1. They provided a valuable service or materials to the other party. 2. They provided these services with a reasonable expectation of being paid. You can't just mow your neighbor's lawn without them asking and then demand payment. 3. The other party knowingly accepted and benefited from the services. And 4. Allowing that party to keep the benefit without paying for it would be unjust enrichment. In a nutshell, quantum meruit is a safety net in contract law. It's an equitable remedy that ensures fairness when formal contracts fail or don't exist. It stops people from taking advantage of others' labor and ensures that if you do the work, you deserve to get paid a fair price for it. It's a powerful tool for justice based on the simple, common-sense idea that you shouldn't get something for nothing. Thanks so much for watching.
If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple breakdowns of complex legal topics.
Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.